Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I will show you exactly how to verify your Cash App account so you can unlock Bitcoin features in 2025. And yes, it really works in just a few minutes. Now, quick heads up, we are talking about verifying your Cash App account to use Bitcoin, not verifying individual Bitcoin transactions. There's a big difference, and understanding it will save you a lot of confusion. First of all, open your Cash app and look for that little money icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. This is where all your financial tools live, including your Bitcoin options. Before you can buy, deposit, or withdraw Bitcoin, Cash App needs to verify your account. This is to keep everything secure and compliant with financial regulations. You will need to provide your phone number, your Cash App PIN, your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Make sure this information matches your official documents. Once you submit the info, Cash App will review it. You will get a notification when your verification is approved, usually within minutes. And that's it. Once verified, you will have full access to all Bitcoin features, buying, depositing, and withdrawing. Right inside Cash App, no extra apps, no complicated steps. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and start enjoying your Bitcoin freedom on Cash App today. Thanks for watching.